What's going on, everybody? This is my review of the Android 10.25 inch Android screen. Already said Android. Anyway, so this is on a pre-loaded 2010 C300. As you can tell, as you can probably hear, I'm using the touch wheel, the command wheel, and it's working. There's no change to the factory head unit. So all this is a display. You're just adding the display. This vehicle did not have a navigation system in it. I'll pull up nav. I got Waze running. I also got Google Maps.
600 feet. Turn right on Buck Road.
So,
then turn left.
as you can tell, that clearly works. Let's get out of there. Car device brings you back to the factory system. Let me turn that on. And the touch wheel works on that. I have the assistive touch turned on. That's why I have that ability to hit the home button there. Check out Raymond's video if you want to learn how to set that up. Car info. Brings you back to the setup functions. Applications. I followed Raymond's video. You guys should check out his channel. He's got a full detailed install on this thing, and honestly, I probably wouldn't have been able to get through the install without his videos. They were super helpful. Thank you so much, Raymond. AutoKit is for the Apple CarPlay. I got the Apple CarPlay dongle in there. I haven't been able to get it to work wirelessly. I don't believe you can get it to work wirelessly, so you have to plug that in. And I would videotape that, but I'm filming this on my iPhone, so if I plug that in, it's going to cut the video out. I already had that happen once. Google Chrome, I got YouTube on here. I installed Gboard. That's another thing that Raymond highly suggested, because when you get it, not sure if it's Chinese, Korean, Japanese, not sure what it is. Keyboard is stock on these things. So Google Maps, Google Play Store, Waze, YouTube. System is freaking sweet. To be honest with you, the easiest part for me was running all the wires. I know that sounds crazy, but it's pretty simple. You know, you get 2 or 3 wires with the kit. Like I said, you're going to want to check out Raymond's video. And if you have a facelifted model, obviously I have a pre-facelift, but if you got a facelifted model, Flex on YouTube, he's got a bunch of videos about how to install this thing. That was the easy part for me, running the wires. The most difficult part I had was getting this command unit back in. Raymond talks about it in one of his videos. He actually directed me to the spot in the video, 2 minutes 53 seconds, where he talks about pushing the quad lock down to the left hand side. That was the hardest part for me. Let me tell you, I was fooling around with this thing, 10, 15 different tries to get it to go back there. But it was definitely worth it. It's a pretty big display. It's super clear. It runs super fluid. It's got Android 7.1 factory installed on it. It's very fluid. What else can I say? It's not cheap, but it's worth doing. Shout out to Chris at CKM Car Designs. It's where I picked mine up at. It's totally worth it. Chris is a great guy, very responsive by email. If had I not been fooling around trying to get this thing back in, the command unit back in, I would probably have it done in 2 hours or so. You're basically adding a new connector on. It's called a quad lock connector. So you're basically taking the factory quad lock connector, adding a new aftermarket one, plugging it up into the system, and mounting the hardware. Other than that, it's pretty easy. So I'll leave some links in the description to the videos from Raymond, also to the videos from Flex that helped me out installing this thing. So enjoy.